Hey there! In this video, we're going to be doing our best to answer a loaded question. That question is, what is the best way to improve my credit score? Well, to be direct, there isn't one. While there is no single best way to improve your credit scores, there are loads of things you should absolutely be doing to improve your credit scores. So, here are multiple answers to a better question. What can I do to improve my credit score? Number one, check your credit reports. You have to find the root of your problem to find your solution. Your problem is that your credit scores could be better. So, check your credit reports and determine what in particular is holding your scores back. Number two, make on-time payments. As simple as it seems, making your payments is one of the most straightforward ways to improve your credit scores. Just a few missed payments can seriously hurt your credit scores. Do everything in your power to never miss a payment again. Autopay is great for this. Number three, optimize your credit utilization ratio. The credit utilization ratio is one of the most overlooked factors that make up a credit score. This ratio refers to the percentage of your total available credit that you are using at any given time. You want to aim to keep your utilization under 30%. So if you had a $10,000 credit limit, you would want to make sure your balances are $3,000 or below. Check on your credit utilization ratio regularly. It can make a huge difference in your overall score. Number four, avoid excessive inquiries. Avoiding inquiries is another very simple but important thing to do when you're trying to improve your credit scores. Anytime you apply for a new credit card, mortgage, auto loan, or other form of credit, you get a hard inquiry on your credit report. A couple won't hurt, but collecting a lot of inquiries, especially if you get them in a short period of time, will hurt your score. Don't go applying for things all the time just because you can. Have a strategy behind it. Number five, improve your credit mix. Your credit mix is extremely important to growing your credit score. You want to have a good balance of installment and revolving credit. Approximately 62 million Americans have a thin credit file, but there's a simple fix to this problem. Adding new, different types of credit to your file will quickly make a tangible impact on your overall credit score. Number six, manage your old accounts. Often, people see old accounts on their credit report and they automatically want to close them. This isn't always the best option. Older accounts can help increase your average credit age. The older the credit age, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders. However, old collection accounts and seriously delinquent accounts need to be dealt with properly. Oftentimes, it is possible to get these removed from your credit report through disputing, which would result in a considerable score change. Every situation is different, however, so make sure to determine the best course of action for you before making any decisions. So, those are some of the best things you can be doing to improve your credit scores. Remember, the more you do, the more results you will see. There is no single, easy thing that everyone can do to get them into the 800s. But with effort, consistency, and the right strategy, your scores will grow over time. And the best time to start your credit journey is right now. Hey, so that's our video. Thanks for staying till the end. If you have any questions, leave us one down in the comments below. If you want to subscribe for more, I will not stop you from doing that. So please go ahead. Go for it. I promise I'm not going to stop you. Just subscribe.